Welcome to the ESCO Tool headquarters based in Holliston, Massachusetts. Our 60,000 square foot facility houses state-of-the-art manufacturing, assembly, shipping and receiving, and is home of the Millhog rental fleet of beveling tools and saws. Our design and engineering team is constantly working on new and innovative tools for pipe and tube beveling and cutting. Our tools are expertly machined out of aircraft quality aluminum. We manufacture portable tools for machining pipe and tube for preparation of welding. All of our tools are manufactured at our Holliston facility using state-of-the-art CNC machining centers. We manufacture all of our components in-house, ensuring quick delivery of all of our tools, parts, and accessories. In addition to our tools, we also manufacture our own cutting blades in a variety of standard sizes and angles, as well as custom-made blades. In addition to selling our Millhog beveling tools, saws, rolling motors, and tube expanders, ESCO also has an extensive rental program. Each rental tool is disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled before being shipped out for its next job to ensure that your tools are in perfect working order when you receive them. Our large fleet of Millhog rental tools can be shipped for next day delivery anywhere in the United States and many parts of the world. Sales and customer support are readily available to answer your questions and make sure you get the right tool for your job. Give us a call or fill out the contact form on our website and someone will get back to you right away.